Today is August 8th. It's time for my first lunar haircut. My hair goal this month was lengthening, so we're gonna get going on that. And I watched some tutorials on how to do this, so we'll see how it goes. So the first thing I want to do is kind of part my hair in the middle, and it kind of looks like it's already there, but we'll just make sure. We're going to cut the left side, then the right side, and then down the middle. And I want to make sure that my hair stays wet through this process. So I just made some water here in the spray bottle. So then I just come down to the very ends and I blunt snip like that. Clip it over to the side here to get it out of the way. And then we'll just keep going. Okay, so I got the right side done. Now we're gonna work on the left, but it's a little bit dry, so I'm just gonna spray it with some water. Okay, so I've done my right and my left. Now it's time to do both so we can blend them. Okay, that was my first haircut for lengthening, guys. Pretty easy. I'm sure I'll get better at it.